Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to dive into price action and the power of supply and demand imbalances, and I will reveal how to anticipate market moves with precision in American stocks. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this stock trading methodology will give you an edge to trade smarter. So stay until the end, so you can learn a little bit about price action and supply and demand. So this is an American stock in the agriculture sector, Bioceres Crop Solutions, and this company seems to be the leader in the development and commercialization of productivity solutions designed to regenerate agriculture ecosystems while making crops more resilient. So, this is what this company does. So when you look at the chart, and this is a monthly time frame for Bioceres Crop Solutions, okay? You can see in the middle watermark. So Biox, by B-I-O-X. When you look at this chart, okay? If I ask you, where are the strongest impulses? Imagine this is not a monthly chart, this is like the daily or the hourly chart, whatever, okay? It doesn't really matter. The time frame doesn't really matter because price action is fractal and it repeats itself on all time frames. Okay, same price action structures happen, and so happens with supply and demand. So, if you take a look at this chart, and I ask you where are the strongest impulses on this particular stock, take a few seconds, and it is clear that this is the strongest impulse together with this one and this one over there, because as you can see we have large candlestick bodies. Here we have a very large candlestick body. Here we have three large candlestick bodies. Okay, so when we look at the chart, if we pay attention just to that, okay, we are going to be placing trades at areas where we are expecting a decent, if not very strong, rebound. So this imbalance here, this is an imbalance, okay? This is not support or resistance. It's located at $6.21 per share, okay? This was analyzed at Southern Carolina Trading Academy, but now I'm sharing this with you, okay? The imbalance has gained control. So what happens here? You might be thinking, okay, if this is the monthly chart, I should have been waiting for how long? 42 months for this long position. Yes, unless you do short term and all that, you could be able to go long here on these reactions, or short on the way down on smaller time frames. I'm not talking here about smaller time frames. I'm talking here about swing stock trading, long-term investments. Okay, so after that strong rally and 42 months of time, the original imbalance located there, created at the beginning of January 2021, so it's been more than 3 years that this particular stock took to reach this imbalance. And well, as you can see, the reaction is happening, and this is what we are expecting. So we can predict, okay, if you take into consideration price action and supply and demand, you can predict these movements. Obviously, the bearish impulse happened. This is a correction of 42 months, 42 candlesticks. We can predict this movement with a very high degree of accuracy, as you can see. So in the next weeks and months, we are expecting Bioceres Crop Solutions company in the agriculture sector to rally strongly, and it's going to reach that area where we should be managing the position. So there is stock could rally like about 75%, okay? So if you are trading supply and demand, your position should be protected like here. So there's room for tripling or quadrupling your investment if the long position was taken down there. So price action together with supply and demand is very simple, okay? We can see here, this is a mass. The strongest impulse is here. So once there is a strong impulse, in order to go long term, okay, to hold the position months, because this is a monthly time frame, this is not a daily time frame. This is the monthly time frame. So in order to hold the position for weeks and months, we need bigger time frames like this. You just cannot pretend to enter on a 1 hour time frame for a swing long term stock trade and hold it for months using the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you must use the bigger time frames. Well, obviously there could be some 1 hour imbalance over there or price action, whatever strategy you are using, and then you can hold it and it could become, okay, a long-term swing position in stocks. But it's not what usually happens. Okay, you must use the bigger time frames. So after, and this is pretty basic, after a very strong rally in price, we must wait for the origin of the move. The longer it takes, the better for the reaction. And this is very simple. This is a rule that should take into consideration to take trades, stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, anything, because it's just the same thing. Okay, you can apply this rule. It's very simple. Okay, multiple time frame analysis is needed and all that, but this is like the basics. After a very strong rally, and this is the trade trying to play out. This is what we are expecting. So hopefully this will play out as expected. Otherwise, there are many other stocks and forex and cryptos that are offering us long-term opportunities, like Bitcoin now playing out a monthly demand level, playing out, broke all-time highs and almost reached $100,000. So Ethereum, same thing. So this is what we're expecting. Price action together with supply and demand strategies can help you pinpoint, locate with surgical accuracy the areas of the price levels where we can go long, okay, and also where we can start thinking of getting out of our positions. If you like this video, don't doubt to click on the subscribe button and like my video so I can know what you like, what you don't, so I can submit more video analysis for you. Have a great day.